ABC Juice, the vibrant elixir transforming health and wellness. In the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle, many individuals are turning to nutrient-packed beverages that promise a wealth of health benefits. Among these, ABC Juice, a colorful blend of apple, beetroot, and carrot, has emerged as a standout favorite, captivating health enthusiasts worldwide. This vibrant drink is not just a treat for the senses, but a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a multitude of advantages from glowing skin to improved mental clarity. Here's why incorporating ABC Juice into your daily routine could be a game-changer for your health. A natural glow for your skin. One of the most compelling reasons to embrace ABC Juice is its remarkable skin-enhancing properties. Struggling with dull or uneven skin tone? This juice can come to your rescue. Apples are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which combats free radicals and promotes skin rejuvenation. Carrots, packed with beta-carotene, help repair skin tissue and improve overall skin texture. Furthermore, beetroot enhances blood circulation, lending your skin a rosy glow. Regular consumption of ABC Juice can reduce acne, pigmentation, and signs of aging, leaving you with radiant and healthy skin. A study published in 2011 highlighted that drinking fresh carrot juice significantly elevated antioxidant levels while reducing lipid peroxidation, showcasing the juice's potential for skin health. A boost in energy levels. Feeling sluggish and drained? ABC Juice serves as a natural energy booster. The combination of natural sugars from apples and carrots, along with the nitrates found in beetroot, enhances oxygen flow to both muscles and the brain. This synergistic effect promotes sustained energy levels throughout the day, making it an ideal pre-workout drink. Unlike coffee or energy drinks that may lead to caffeine crashes, ABC Juice offers a healthier, more stable source of energy, allowing you to power through your day with vigor. Support for weight loss. For those on a weight loss journey, ABC Juice can be a valuable ally. Low in calories yet rich in fiber, this juice helps you feel fuller for longer, curbing unhealthy snacking and cravings. The fiber content aids digestion and prevents bloating, making you feel light and refreshed. Additionally, beetroot contains compounds that enhance metabolic activity, assisting your body in burning fat more efficiently. By incorporating ABC Juice into your daily diet, you can support your weight loss efforts while enjoying a delicious beverage. Heart health benefits. ABC Juice is not only beneficial for your taste buds, but also for your heart. Recent studies, including one published in 2022, have linked the consumption of cloudy apple juice to various cardiovascular health markers that may be significant in the context of cancer and neurological illnesses. Beetroot is particularly known for its ability to lower blood pressure, thanks to its high nitrate content, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Moreover, both carrots and apples are rich in potassium and pectin, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Together, these ingredients work harmoniously to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Natural detoxification. If you're looking for a gentle detox solution, ABC Juice is an excellent choice. Beetroot plays a crucial role in cleansing the liver, helping to flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Carrots enhance bile secretion, which aids in the digestion of fats and further supports detoxification. Apples contribute soluble fiber that sweeps away harmful substances from the gut, promoting a cleaner digestive system. By incorporating this natural detox elixir into your routine, you can feel refreshed and revitalized. A simple addition for a healthier life. Incorporating ABC Juice into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and well-being. With its multitude of benefits, from glowing skin and increased energy to weight loss support and improved heart health, this colorful drink can truly transform your life. So why not make ABC Juice a staple in your diet? Just one glass a day can set you on a path to a healthier, happier you. Embrace the power of this natural elixir and enjoy the vibrant health benefits it has to offer.